Hi, sir. I'm Olivia. I'm the project executive for IRIA tablet, and it is my job to explain about the digitalization, and thus I am doing a presentation on it. The first term is the HTML and CSS. I'm going to explain the two of them. First is HTML, or known as Hypertext Markup Language. It is the foundation of all web pages. It defines the structure of a page and the standard markup language for web pages. In short, if you are following a web page and you could see the term HTML behind whatever you searched. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. It describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. It saves a lot of work as it can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. This is the difference between HTML and CSS. The dependency, as you can see. HTML, we cannot use the structure format and HTML syntax in CSS style sheets, while as CSS, it is independent of HTML and can be used with any XML-based markup language. Implementation, HTML is for web page structure and content, while CSS is mainly for design and presentation. The architecture, HTML uses tags that are surrounding the content of any web page element, while CSS consists of selectors that are declared using block statement syntax. The approach by HTML, well, it is used mainly to develop the basic content of the web page, while CSS is used for page style formats, designing of the web, layouts, and many more. The support of the HTML, it has a lot of community support that helps to utilize different web page structure approaches. While for CSS, it also has large community support and a huge backup for continuous improvements in web designing. So this is mainly used in the design, mainly to beautify the web page. Real-world applications, these are where the HTML and CSS are used. For HTML, web pages development, web document creation, internet navigation, cutting-edge feature, responsive images on web pages, client-side storage, offline capabilities usage, and data entry support with HTML. These are all the uses for the HTML. While for CSS is the e-commerce domain, website maintenance, social media impact, web-based online community and UI approach, easy accessibility, image file handling, and handling dynamic website templates. Next is between Python, Java, and C++. The difference between C++, Java, and Python, as you can see, C++ is a compiled programming language along with Java, while Python is interpreted programming language. Well, C++ supports operator overloading. Java does not support operator overloading, while Python supports operator overloading. So you can see C++ and Python supports operator overloading, while Java does not support it. Well, if you see for the third row over here, both C++ and Python provide both single and multiple inheritance, while Java provides partial multiple inheritance using interfaces. For C++, it does not support threads. Java has inbuilt multi-threading support, while Python supports multi-threading. C++ has limited number of library support. Java has library support for many concepts like UI. Python has a huge set of libraries that make it fit for AI, artificial intelligence, data science, etc. Next, real-world applications. Well, let's start from Python. It is used in web development, game development, machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science, data visualization, desktop GUI, web scraping applications, business applications, and CAD applications, CAD applications. For Java, it is the mobile app development, desktop GUI applications, web-based applications, gaming applications, big data technologies, distributed applications, cloud-based applications, and IoT applications. For C++, this is mainly on general, the operating systems, games, embedded software, autonomous cars, and medical technology. Next is we are going to look at GoDaddy and Wix. What is GoDaddy? It is a beginner-friendly website builder that uses artificial design intelligence, or ADI, to make creating your website easier and faster. It uses information you enter to create a customized site in a matter of minutes, making it perfect for beginners who want to publish a simple site online. Wix. It is a website builder, an easy-to-use tool that lets you quickly create an online presence via drag and drop interface. All you need is an email address to get started with Wix's web hosting. The difference between Wix and GoDaddy. The number of sites, both of them, well, Wix is 100 million plus. GoDaddy has 80,000 plus. Wix is good for all-around performance and design basic websites, while GoDaddy is best for all-around performance and design basic websites. These are both different, as Wix is simple while the other is moderate. The price range is also different, as the cheapest would be the GoDaddy with $9.99, as the most expensive goes to Wix at the $39 per month. The CRM for Wix is advanced, while GoDaddy has standard CRM. There are 5 key steps to get started on creating website with GoDaddy. First is to choose your site type. For instance, you are going to, what kind of site are you planning on making for your website, and start editing it, which means the naming, the company logo, and so on. Managing your site settings, which means you go to the settings and you adjust whatever in which you want it. Third is connect a custom domain. Fourth is preview and publish your site. You get to monitor your site before the public gets to see it. And fifth, promote your website. If you're satisfied with the website, you can promote it. 5 key steps to get started on creating website with Wix. Firstly, create an account with Wix and use Wix's AI site builder feature. AI as in artificial intelligence. It is included in Wix. Second one, select a template that will set your site up for success. A template is mainly easy. It is in the Wix as itself. Third one is design and customize your website with the Wix editor. Again, you can label your website and so on. Add extra functionality to your site with Wix apps. This is actually quite interesting, as Wix has few apps in it. For instance, it's easier to customize your documents or calendar and so on. Wix has few of those. And finally, publish your Wix website to make it live. As you publish it, people will get to know that you have your own website. The benefits of using GoDaddy to build a website. Well, mainly it can create a website and get it live in a matter of minutes. It is super easy to use, and its pricing plans are very cheap in comparison to some competitors. The benefits of using Wix to build a website. It is remarkably intuitive editor X interface. It has numerous widgets, hundreds of templates for specific businesses and other uses. It is a good mobile site building tools. It has rich web store features. It has excellent uptime and customer service support. Many commerce options, including the ability to sell digital downloads, and it has free option. That's it from me. Thank you.